Today I'm taking a look at the WORKPRO 10-piece woodworking clamp set. So we got instructions, and here is our main clamp. We have quite a long length on here, and this is in fact a metal rod. This is not plastic. So this is a quick adjust. We got this lever right here. Grab that, and we can move that to where we want. And we want to actually apply clamping force. We just squeeze that together. Got some nice thick rubber jaw pads on here. These can be removed in the event that you want to apply more direct force. Do have two different sizes, and they both work basically the same. Also with removable pads. Let's say in the instructions that the large one is capable of 150 pounds of clamping pressure and the small one is capable of 50 pounds. Now as it stands, this is going to be applying clamping force, but we do have a couple screws here on the end. Take that off and flip this guy around, put it back in, and put that cap back on. So now you're going to apply spreading force. So if we got a couple of boards and we need to make sure that those are pressed apart, we can use it exactly like this. It's a nice versatile bar clamp. We have two of these large clamps, two small clamps. We got four of these little hand clamps. These things are fantastic for like hanging cards. I've even used these things for gluing a mirror back together. Very handy tool, and it does have pads that actually have channels cut out so you can hold on to round stock. And then we have two of these ratcheting clamps. These things are pretty cool because you squeeze it together and it will just lock and hold there. If you want to release it, pull this trigger and that will pop it back open. I also like the overall shape. It's got kind of a C-clamp shape, so that way if you need to grab a rounded object, this is going to be the excellent tool for that. Nice wide grips on here, so you can get quite a bit of squeeze on if you need to. And that is just an excellent variety in clamps. And we can see that those heads swivel, so if we need to, we can even grab extra thick objects. And that one clamp is actually strong enough to hold onto this piece of wood. Pretty cool. So any good woodworker is going to tell you you can never have too many clamps. If you need to glue something together, you want to make sure it's not going to have any open seams in it. The more clamps, the more better. So that is a very cool set.